Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to program the home page with session management, including the latest products. So let's sign in. So now when we signed in, using our cookie right here, we can see that my first name has been added to this. So this is done using the help of a cookie. So that's how we get our name coming. So our session details will be saved using this cookie. So whenever I log in again, my name will appear here. And then these are the products which we have added, the latest products. So I have asked in the code, I have mentioned that I want only 7 items to be displayed. So only 7 of them are displayed at the moment. So this is about it for the front end or the uh, uh, user interface of this page. Next we'll be moving on to the code to discuss how we have created this. So this is the code for programming of the home page using sessions with the uh, latest products added. So right here we have asked for a session to be started in our header, and here it's we have mentioned that if a username is set, to mention the username. So uh, the data will be to mention the username at the start of the session. So right here you can see that welcome, and then we have created a span class, and it echoes, we can see welcome, and then we have opened a PHP script to echo the data if name, which is the first name, which is what we saw in our web page. Then for the sign out button, we have a separate sign out process using the help of uh, sessions. We will be discussing that later. So then if we have logged into a page, or if we have signed out, our session will get destroyed, and we will have a new href, or instead of my name there will be a link appearing, and it will say to sign in or register. So that's what it says in the header. Let's move on to our home page. So here we have included our header. Then we move on to our connection, and here we have uh, created a variable named category underscore rs. So from this variable, it's linked to a database search query. Select all from uh, the category table, and we have taken from the result set from the category table. We've taken the number of rows of it, and given it the variable name category number. So for the $x is equal to 0, and the category number is greater than $x, we have asked the category result set to be fetched, and we have given it the variable name category data. So here we'll be having our ID, and the name of our category is displayed. And moving down, we have it displayed here. Then we have our category. uh, we have given a new variable c underscore rs, and we have had the same search, and we've asked for the number of rows, and for $y is equal to 0 if the number of rows in this variable is less than $y. We have asked the category uh, we have asked the variable c data, or the values of the result set to be fetched. So moving on to the next bit of our code, we have we have asked for a echo command asking for uh, a name to be displayed. So the product name will be displayed in the code, and that is that is for our category. And then we are going to move down to where our product ID and our category IDs are displayed in our code here. So uh, our product, we have given the variable name product underscore rs, and we have linked it to the database search query. Select all from product where category ID, and we have given c data the variable, and we've asked for the ID and the status ID to be 1, and we've ordered it by the date time added, and we have the description. We have a limit of 7, so only 7 values or 7 products will be displayed. And then we've asked for the number of rows on our product result set, and we have given it the variable name product number. So for $z, if the product number is greater than $z, so for the values where it is greater than it, the product data, or which what we call the value which we get from a result set from product, is we ask it for it to be fetched, or we take it out, and then it will be displayed. And we are moving on to the next part of our code. So here we have given variables image underscore rs, and here we have from our table the images, the product ID and the product data taken out, and it's taken out thanks to this fetch sock command. And moving down, we have in the image source, we have asked the code to be echoed, or the code which are relative path of our image is going to be here, which is saved in our database. And then moving down to the next part of our code, we have asked for our product title from the product table also to be echoed along with the price. So these are done in H as a H5 or a heading 5 and the span class. And then again we've opened another PHP script, and we've given that if the product data or quantity is greater than 0, then it echoes in or we can see in stock, and then it will echo the amount or the quantity of the stock we have left, and it will say like 7 items available. It will display 7 items available. And then we have the buy now button created and the add to cart button created. If this does not happen, or we have added our else condition here, so then it will display out of stock, 0 items available, and so on. So that is it for the code which explains our programming of our home page, including sessions for with the latest products listed. Thank you for watching.